Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to fix max brightness that keeps dimming on iPhone iOS 18. First, open settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on accessibility. This section contains various features to make your iPhone easier to use. Once you're in accessibility, look for display and text size and tap on it. Here you will find options to adjust how text and display appear on your device. Now scroll down to find the auto brightness option. If this feature is turned on, your iPhone automatically adjusts brightness based on the surrounding light. Tap the toggle to turn it off. This should help keep your brightness at the level you prefer. After that, go back to the previous menu and select display and brightness. In this section, you'll see a slider for adjusting the brightness. Move the slider to the right to increase brightness to your desired level. Next, find the True Tone option, which adjusts the color temperature of your display. If it's on, tap the toggle to turn it off. This can also help prevent unwanted dimming. Now go back to the main settings and tap on Face ID and passcode. You will be prompted to enter your passcode for security. After entering your passcode, scroll down to find attention-aware features. These features automatically adjust the screen brightness based on whether you're looking at your iPhone. Tap the toggle to turn it off and then turn it back on to reset the feature. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.